Hello everyone on YouTube. I'm going to do a cold start video for you on this this Beauty 94 Accord. She's been sitting out here for about 2 weeks there out in the cold, so we'll see how she runs. It's getting pretty rough. Retired her off the road there a couple weeks ago. My daily driver. She's got some rust on her. You know, she's all ready to go to the scrapyard. But I'm figuring I'm gonna keep it for another little while there. The mirror's starting to come off it. Try and put it in the stock car races there, the enduro. So it's gotta last another year. She's quite the rust bucket. I know all you Honda lovers out there, you'll know how well they keep. Yeah, got the little CD player in her. She got 43,000 kilometers. I think that stopped working a while ago. Here it goes. Let her warm up here. Oh yeah, look at that. Red line for a good time. Still running like a charm. She's got cruise. Cruise is still working. Beep beep. Horn still works. She's got a little exhaust leak there. I can smell the fumes coming off her pretty good. Show you the engine, how it looks. A little bit frozen.
Put a new distributor on it about a year ago. All new plugs and wires. Air filter hasn't been changed, I don't think, since I had it. 3 years. Still running pretty good. Just can't seem to kill the engine. I redlined it, done everything to it there, but it just won't die. So that's the 94 Accord. I got the old Euro lights on it. Yeah, she's a racer. Dual exhaust tailpipe. So if anyone wants to buy this thing, they can throw me a message there. But I wouldn't sell it for too much. It's not worth much. Yeah, she's a beauty. Give you another little red line now that she's warmed up. You can't kill her. Anyways, thanks for watching. Cold start on the 94 Accord.